Hi everyone, my new course and new batch on Unacademy Plus has already started for all the aspirants of sociology irrespective of what exam you are preparing for. So do not delay anymore. Subscribe now to Unacademy Plus NTA Net category with the referral code ANTARACHAK. Also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share all my videos and help all your friends.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Antara Squad. This is quite a long time we haven't met and I couldn't be active in the social media platforms like Telegram, YouTube, but here I am. I'm back for you with all the free foundation classes that we had finished till the month of January. So in this video I'm going to tell you people about one, the schedule of the foundation class series, number two, about some more details regarding the exams that are coming up in this year, and to all the aspirants जो कि masters exams देने वाले हैं, net exams देने वाले हैं, and more to say. But before I start, I want to tell you that there is an ongoing offer for the NTA UGC Net Plus subscription that is ongoing now, that if you take for 6 months, you will be getting 1 month free, and if you buy for 12 months, you will be getting 2 months free. Now, I think all of you already know that my course has started a month back. In case you people still wish to join, I mean, there is a lot of time you can join and finish your preparation till your exams for this year. You can do so even now, but remember that the subscription offers are available only till tonight 12 a.m. So you can subscribe now, but you people already know my code, that is ANTARACHAK. Do not forget to use it in case you plan on joining. Now coming to the major portion of this video is about how I'm going to tell you about the free special class schedule. Now this is a schedule for the month of March, and we know that we are only left with around a week of March, so I will be taking 2 classes each day. So I will be sharing this schedule with all the students on my Telegram channel as well. अगर आप लोगों ने मुझे अब तक Telegram में join नहीं किया, please करें, because all the class links I will be sending on Telegram. So it will be easier for you people also to coordinate with me over Telegram. My Telegram channel is Antara Squad. Now coming to the next section, हमने अब तक Foundation to Sociology series, which are free classes, we have already done it. 4 classes we have finished. From now on I will be taking some more classes, and I wish to finish the foundation series this month. So if you look at the time and the dates, each day I have kept 2 classes. So it is starting from tomorrow, that is 24th March. One class will take place at 6 p.m. that is 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Please remember, ये सारे classes 1 घंटे के होने वाले हैं. The next class I will take from 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. So basically we are going to have 2 classes from 24th to 30th of March, one at 6 p.m. the other is 7:30. So we will be continuing with where we stopped. I will start with foundation part 5, and this will go on till 28th. But please note, if you people see carefully, 29th 6 p.m. मैं एक 2 घंटे का मेगा मॉक टेस्ट लेने वाली हूँ based on all these classes that we will be doing, so that I can test आप लोग कुछ सीख रहे हो या नहीं. एंड सिमिलरली हम लोग 30th को भी एक मेगा मॉक करेंगे जो मार्च महीने के लिए होगा. सो ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज नोट कि ये सारे क्लास लिंक्स मैं आप लोगों को टेलीग्राम में भेजूंगी ईच डे अलॉन्ग विद द क्लास पोस्टर, सो दैट नन ऑफ यू मिस एनी क्लास. नॉट जस्ट दैट, मैं इन फ्री क्लासेस की पीडीएफ्स भी टेलीग्राम में ही प्रोवाइड करने वाली हूँ. इन केस द क्लास गेट्स रीस्केड्यूल्ड फॉर एनी रीजन, कोई भी रीजन हो सकता है, आई माइट गेट सम वर्क और एनीथिंग एल्स, आई माइट फॉल सिक. सो अगर क्लास रीस्केड्यूल होता है apart from the schedule that I'm giving you, I will be notifying you on Telegram. So please make sure that you follow me regularly on Telegram. And I have already told you that in case you wish to join Plus, ANTARACHAK is my referral code where I teach the whole course. We have already continued with Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3. So it's better if you people join me soon and start attending my classes. जिन स्टूडेंट्स को लिंक्स नहीं मिलते हैं स्पेशल क्लासेस के, मैं उन्हीं को ये चीज़ दिखाने वाली हूँ. यू नीड टू गो टू माई प्रोफाइल ऑन अनअकैडमी. यू कैन गो फ्रॉम वेब, और आप लोग मोबाइल के ऐप से भी जा सकते हो. अगर आप लोग मेरे प्रोफाइल में जाएंगे, इसको नीचे स्क्रॉल करना. नीचे स्क्रॉल करने के बाद यू विल सी अ सेक्शन कॉल्ड स्पेशल क्लासेस. उसमें सी ऑल में क्लिक करना है. सी ऑल में क्लिक करने के बाद जितने भी हमारे क्लासेस हो चुके हैं वो सारे लिस्ट आप लोगों को मिल जाएगा chronologically, कौन से डेट में क्या क्लासेस हुए हैं. दिस यू कैन एक्सेस फ्रॉम द वेब एज आई शोड यू, और एल्स फ्रॉम द ऐप. सो इन केस यू आर स्टिल कंफ्यूज कि फ्री क्लासेस कहाँ मिलेंगे, यहीं पे मिलने वाले हैं स्पेशल क्लासेस के अंडर. Apart from this, if you people have any more queries, you can write down in the comment box and let me know and I will clarify that for you. So see you people in the classes from tomorrow. मैं आज ही टेलीग्राम में कल के 2 क्लासेस के लिंक्स सेंड कर दूंगी, so please उसमें क्लिक करके आप लोग जरूर एनरोल कर लीजिए. Thank you so much and see you people soon in the class.